इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर नाजरीन, फौज, सीआरपीएफ और जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस के मुश्तरका प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस। फौज ने पिंगलीना ऑपरेशन को बताया कामयाब। पुलवामा एनकाउंटर को पाकिस्तान से कंट्रोल किया जा रहा था। पुलवामा हमले से पीछे आईएसआई का हाथ हो सकता है। 100 से कम घंटों से कबल जैश का कमांडर मारा गया। जो हथियार उठाएगा उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जाएगी। मैं उनसे अपील करता हूं कि अपने बच्चों से हथियार डालने को कहें। कल का ऑपरेशन कामयाब तरीन। नाज़रीन, आपको बता दें, फौज, सीआरपीएफ और जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस ने मुश्तरका प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की श्रीनगर में। फौज ने पिंगलीना ऑपरेशन को कामयाब बताया है। पुलवामा एनकाउंटर को पाकिस्तान से कंट्रोल किया जा रहा था, ऐसा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बताया गया है। पुलवामा हमले के पीछे आईएसआई का हाथ हो सकता है। 100 से कम घंटों में जैश का कमांडर मारा गया। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बताया गया कि जो हथियार उठाएगा उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Also, an incident of Jajarkotli, which you are aware, which happened. So, infiltration is happening. Pakistan is carrying out the infiltration into Kashmir for the results which they want. Notwithstanding that, the number has reduced in the recent past on the LC. And the elimination of terrorists in the hinterland and limited recruitment in the past few months has brought down the number below a threshold in the Kashmir Valley as of today.
Sir, wait, Zafar.
I just have a question for you.
Now, after
sir, there are reports that Adil Dar was detained in the past. How many times he was detained, Adil Dar? Suicide bomber.
Again, on behalf of the complete security forces team in Kashmir, I would like to pay our homages to the brave martyrs of the CRPF who attained martyrdom on the 14th of February in the Pulwama explosion. I also like to pay homage to the martyrs of yesterday's operation, 4 from the army, including a major, and Havaldar, 1 head constable from the JKP from Karna. We were tracking the top JEM leadership in Kashmir Valley. As you are aware, that convoy attack was carried out by Jaish-e-Mohammed of Pakistan, and it was being controlled from Pakistan with active support of ISI and the Pakistan Army. The local commanders, most of them Pakistanis, who were in charge of controlling, coordinating, fabricating and execution of this operation, were the main people of the JEM top leadership in the valley. In less than 100 hours, we eliminated the JEM leadership in the valley, which was being handled by JEM from Pakistan. Through you, I would request all the mothers of Kashmir to please request their sons who have joined terrorism to surrender and get back to the mainstream. Denied any entry into the highway. And this is what you said in the later part, that now it is being denied. That means what was happening earlier led to this incident. So I don't agree with that part of thrashing and all. There is no such incident which has come to. If you let me answer this, I also see things. So as of now, there are certain restrictions which I will put on the movement of the civil traffic when the convoy is moving. We are trying to work out the modalities as to how best it can be streamlined so that no harassment or minimum delay is caused to the civil traffic. Since this has to be put in place, it's early days. We are working out the modalities, and it will be passed to the through the civil administration to the complete public so that they can plan their movement accordingly, depending on the convoy movement. As regards what happened on the ROP and other things, the ROP, like I will request IG CRPF, the ROP was well intact. It is just that a stray vehicle can enter from anywhere, which it did enter, and the investigation is going on. But if you like to say something about the ROP part, request you.
On the day you're talking about 14th, the ROP was well laid. There were more than 22 companies doing the ROP that day, apart from the army and the Jammu and Kashmir police. The incident happened because of a vehicle which was laden with an ID. So as the Corps Commander said, we were not stopping traffic. So that led to the incident. The ROP itself was fully had fully secured the entire national highway. So the SOP was totally followed. Now we are changing and stopping the civilian traffic when the convoy will move. Accordingly, the SOP will be changed to stop the civilian traffic at that stage.
Yeah.
सर वैली में कितने रिलेटिव्स एक्टिव होंगे और उसमें फॉरेन मिलिटेंट्स की संख्या क्या होगी?
The question about the surrender policy had asked.
Sir,
सर वैली में
I'm sorry, I'm asking.
yeah, just please.
Neha Masi from the Washington Post. So two questions. One is, if the top leadership has been eliminated, what is the current strength in the valley now? And as you said, the local recruitment has dipped, but last year was the first time, I think, according to the figures that I have seen, where local militants were higher in number as opposed to foreign militants that were killed. So how do you reconcile the two?
So the exact number and other thing is again an operational requirement, so I would not be able to share on this house on that number. But of course, the last year, as you are aware, there were 252 eliminations, and that has also some impact in the sense the vintage element. What is important is that in terrorist circle, if you have old elements who are there, they keep on recruiting people. So when 2018 started, you had a number of top terrorist names. Today when you go to name them, the numbers have significantly reduced, and when these numbers reduce, that has a direct bearing on the recruitment and as well as on the terror actions. So that is how we are trying to tackle it, and as I said before, there is a strong investigational measure which we have introduced and which we have started pushing it. So I am sure with all these things are going to look good.
सर टोटल नंबर ऑफ मिलिटेंट्स घाटी में कितने होंगे और उसमें फॉरेन मिलिटेंट्स की तादाद क्या होगी?
I think he's already answered that question.
Yeah. Sir, to your right.
Yeah.
So you mentioned recruitment has dipped in the past couple of months, but this year nearly 200 militants have been recruited locally. This is the highest.
I mean, the question which has been answered in some form or the other, request not to repeat the same question in a different format. So you can ask something new.
Sir, can you that lady to your right?
Okay, ma'am, please.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, please, if you can speak louder.
Take a mic.
I traveled here from Avantipura से लेके पुलवामा and श्रीनगर. काफी आदमियों से मैं बात कर चुकी हूँ, तो काफी ऐसा मैसेज आ रहा है, ऐसे ओपिनियंस आ रहे हैं कि फोर्सेस हम पे हैरास कर रही हैं, तो वी आर फोर्सिंग टू गो इनटू दिस टेररिज्म काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. तो इस पे आपका क्या कहना है? तो दूसरा सवाल ये है, तो आपने कहा कि इस काइंड ऑफ जो मोड ऑफ ऑपरेंडी हुआ जैश ए मोहम्मद से कानवार पे अटैक, तो पहली बार आफ्टर 19 years ऐसा कुछ हुआ है. तो क्या हम लोग टेररिस्ट के मोड ऑफ ऑपरेंडी स्ट्रैटेजीज के आगे हम लोग सोच सकेंगे? उसका क्या स्ट्रैटेजीज होंगे आपके?
मैम, द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन जो आपने बोला कि हैरासमेंट एंड ऑल, वो प्रोपेगेंडा है, एंड एनीवन कैन से एनीथिंग विदाउट एनी प्रूफ. सो आई वुड लाइक टू अगेन टेल द अवाम ऑफ कश्मीर, इस प्रोपेगेंडा का शिकार मत होइए. और दूसरी बात कि जो टेररिस्ट का जो मॉडस ऑपरेंडी का फ्यूचर में आप कैसे टैकल करेंगे, आई थिंक वो क्वेश्चन पहले आंसर हो गया है. जो भी इंटेलिजेंस रिपोर्ट्स आती हैं, जो भी हमारे टेररिस्ट की मॉडस ऑपरेंडी या टेक्निक्स हमारे सामने आती हैं, हम लोग उसी तरीके से अपने मॉडस ऑपरेंडी या अपनी तरतीब को बदलते हैं और टेररिस्ट को एलिमिनेशन करने के लिए प्लानिंग करते हैं.
Sir, we'll take last two questions. Okay.
My question actually was that this year there have been, according to reports, there have been around 200 local recruits. Last 3-4 months it has dipped, but this has, according to reports, this is the highest in almost a decade. Do you see that as a worrying trend? Even though there have been a lot of militant killings also, still 200 according to reports have been recruited.
See, the numbers, as IG साहब ने बताया कि जो numbers कितने हैं, क्या है, वो सब ऑपरेशनल डिटेल्स हैं, उसके बारे में बात नहीं करूंगा. यू हैव सम नंबर, दैट इज वन मैन्स वर्जन. लेकिन जो भी है, जो लोकल रिक्रूटमेंट हो रहा था, खुशी की बात यह है कि अभी पिछले चंद महीनों में वो डाउन हुआ है. तो हमें पॉजिटिव देखने हैं. हम लोग यहाँ बैठकर नेगेटिव्स के ऊपर ध्यान नहीं देते. हम हर चीज को पॉजिटिव एनर्जी और पॉजिटिव तरीके से देख के आगे पॉजिटिव आगे की जो फ्यूचर प्लानिंग है उसके हिसाब से हम प्लान करते हैं.
Abhishek. Sir, I'm Abhishek Bhalla from